A healthier version of cream spinach. Cream spinach usually has like a bechamel, which is flour and butter and cream.
Right.
But what I have here is some parsnips that I've cooked down.
How clever.
With some shallots and a little bit of bay leaf.
Oh my God, I love this.
So this isn't just cream, it's parsnips and a little bit of cream. And here we just have our chopped fresh spinach. Frozen spinach would be fine as well. And the heat.
Plus, you're adding a layer of flavor there. Emily, my friend Emily, describes this so perfectly as a carrot with a bit of an attitude. It's a parsnip.
Ooh, I like
and
that.
I love adding parsnips to mashed potatoes and things like that. What a great idea. So clever, Richard.
I love that. Yeah, and this, you know what also, I mean, especially with kids at home, like they're getting more vegetables, right? Because now there's parsnips in this.
In with the spinach,
and
right.
And listen, I'm okay with deception when it comes to nutrition.
Of course. Of course.
It's okay, and there you go. Now that looks like, that's it right there. Look at that. So now I grated a little bit. Don't you love the smell of nutmeg?
Nutmeg. I always use nutmeg whenever I make anything with cream or any dark greens. So this is a double whammy there. It's a must-do there.
So a little bit of lemon, a little bit of nutmeg on there. I'm going to get into how you could cook the perfect steak, right? So first thing, of course, is going to be what meat you choose. I'm going with a ribeye.
Beautiful.
Because ribeyes have a lot of fat. Fat equals flavor. It's not a bad word. And you want it to come out of the fridge for a little bit, right? You want it to sort of like temper to room temperature before you cook it. Chill out a little bit.
Well, actually warm up a bit.
Exactly. Warm up. So we have these medium thick ribeyes, boneless, and then I'm going to season it. And the key to seasoning for me, and you know this, Rach, is to season from up high. One, because it looks good on camera when you do it. But more importantly, because you're dispersing the seasoning all over. Evenly, right? And then I like for my steak, you can put whatever you want on yours, but a little bit of garlic powder.
Yes, sir.
A little bit of onion powder.
Yes, sir.
And all of those flavors work really, really, really well with beef. Of course, you're going to want to make sure you season both sides. You do it like this. And then you want to get them in the pan. So over here, we have our steaks. They've been seasoned really well, tempered. And they're searing in a pan, right? I like to start with a little bit of clarified butter. Look at that right there.
Makes me drool.
There it is right there. That's what you're going for. Absolutely,
right?
yes. That's
so you cook.
Oh, there it is. That's the Maillard reaction, which is like a fancy name for like how to make something delicious. You want that flavor, and then once I flip it, and I'm going to cook this like 5 minutes on each side. I want to throw in a little bit of butter. So I'm throwing in here some aromatics.
Crushed garlic,
some
rosemary.
Smashed garlic and rosemary. And then this is the key to those expensive steaks. When you do go eat out at a steakhouse,
butter baste
you got to butter baste it. Exactly. So what we do is we spend time, whether it's at home or in a restaurant, even if it's a $6 hamburger, I like to sort of treat it like it's a $65 steak. And can everyone smell that? Like, that is really, really smelling good.
Didn't you hear them moan?
Yes, I did. So that's our steak. Now, we're going to cook that. Now, the most important thing is it has to rest, right? You want to rest your steak after it cooks for almost as long as it cooked. So if it cooked for 10 minutes, you want it to rest for 10 minutes so that when you slice into it, the juices don't go all over the place.
Stay with us, right?